Hello, this is Simon from Readers in the Know, and once again I'm here to show you about some updates to the software that drives this site. In the 4 years since creating this site, a few things have changed. For example, a few years ago, Amazon introduced the Kindle Countdown deal, a new promotional vehicle for Kindle books. Since this wasn't even a thing when I first coded the site, I'd only created one type of discount promo, which I'd made available for all book formats. Now, when you schedule a new promo on the site, on a Kindle edition, you'll see an additional promo type option of Kindle Countdown Deal, or KCD. When you select this, you'll see a notice reminding you that Amazon currently only offers this in 2 territories, the UK and the US, and they make you set up each independently. So you'll find that our system also only offers you the option of these 2 countries, and we pre-fill the boxes with 99p and 99 cents respectively, since these are the most common KCD prices that are chosen by authors. But of course you can change these to correspond to whatever you've set up on Amazon. And if you only want to run it in one of the 2 countries, you just deselect one of the boxes, the one you don't want. If you can't or don't want to use the KCD option, we still provide non-KCD discount as a promo type, as you can see here. With this one, by default we pre-fill the pricing with values that represent a 20% discount off your regular pricing, since any less than that's probably not going to be much interest to our readers. But of course you can change these values to anything you want, providing it's lower than the regular price. Now, some of our authors who use this option regularly have for some time been suggesting that a currency converter tool would be a useful addition to this form, and so I'm pleased to announce that I've now added one. To use this, just click the button here, select the currency you want to use as a base, and enter the price you want in that currency. So for example, let's say I want to price it at $2.99 in the US. Once you press return or click anywhere outside that input box, you'll see that price converted into all the other relevant currencies below. If you then want to load these new prices into the promo form, just click this button here. You can then edit these prices if you want, of course, perhaps to make them more attractive to potential buyers, and then once again click Save at the bottom. Don't forget to use the date picker to select the start and end dates of the promo, or if you choose to enter them manually, make sure you do so in the UK format of day, month, year rather than month, day, year. Then the only thing left to do is to make sure that you set your book's Amazon pricing to these prices through the Amazon bookshelf, preferably at least 12 hours before the promo is due to take effect. If you want to use this tool without scheduling a new promo, then you can also find a standalone version under the Questions tab in the main menu. And that's basically it. I've made a few other minor changes, but these are mostly under the hood, so you don't need to worry about those. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, as usual, just let me know at simon@readersintheknow.com or use the contact form on the website.